Once again, this is Monster Truck Throwdown with the Monster Truck Madness number 6.
Do you want to go to heaven tonight? Leave the evidence far behind. Say alright, alright. Do you want to be my lover tonight? We can leave everybody else behind. Say alright, alright. Do you want to see heaven tonight? Underneath those lights you look so
They're going to qualify one at a time, so that number 1 draw goes to the Monster Truck Madness number 5 racing winner. Put your hands together for J.R. McNeal, Xtermigator. Now he's on the inside track coming here. He's got to hit that tabletop. Now, in the next turn, he'll be on the outside lane. So, one time on the inside, one time on the outside. He's got to get it square, because this is where the big air can come from. As he's going to be ready to cross the finish line, we'll keep you up to date on the times. Let's hear it for Xtermigator. The first qualifying pass for Xtermigator, 30.01. A few more problems. And a few more problems in that right lane. Comes in with a time of 30.45. So he'll be taking his first time, which is 30.01. So lanes seem to be pretty even. Now here's your 5th and 6th fastest qualifiers of tonight. Their time so close as Rage comes in at a 29.08 and Xtermigator comes in at 30.01. default of missing one of the takeoff ramps, your winner goes to Xtermigator! So, as Corey Rummel trying to make that final turn on the inside, only gets one tire at the bottom of that takeoff ramp. And unfortunately, that gets a disqualification as Xtermigator takes the victory away from him. A great close race there. Next pair coming to line, Xtermigator and Overboard. As Xtermigator gets lucky by the mistake of Rage in round number 1. Now he's got to take on Overboard, who took out Avenger as Avenger had problems in that final turn.
They go up there on that hill. F-Dom, the light guys are awesome.
So as we've refired, both the monster trucks are going to bring him back to the line. We'll give him one opportunity as problems for Overboard. He says he's done. Now, what this means is Xtermigator does make it in to the semifinals, but he has to make a pass. He has to cross the finish line. Now, he can do it as fast as he wants or as slow as he wants, as long as he crosses that finish line. He'll automatically make it in. A tough break there for Jamie Garner and Overboard. So J.R. McNeal getting a free pass here, getting used to this freestyle monster truck racetrack. Let him hear it. Xtermigator makes it into the semifinals. So here we go, our first pair here in our semifinal round. Now, this is bragging rights, folks, all the way back to Florida. This is the bragging rights. These are teammates out of Florida. A long ride back if you're the loser in this matchup, as we have got JR, a.k.a. Flyswatter McNeal, going up against Roy Pridgeon, a.k.a. Popsicle. It's the Ice Cream Man! really things to see and hit out there during that 2-minute period. Remember, the clock is on. After 2 minutes, the scores will be good. Are you kidding me? Some sick air out of Xtermigator. We're also counting how many hits he's doing, how much big air, that wow factor, as the scores are now coming in. So anything after this, our judges will not be scoring. Let's hear it for Xtermigator! So the scores are now coming in from our judges. We'll be holding up the scorecards down here on the front stretch. As the scores come in, 6, 7, and a 6 for a score of 19. So, 19 now, the score to beat.
Oh my God, was I not recording?